Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn one of the most interesting and easiest concept, that is condition number. Considering the given set of matrix, we are going to find the condition number. How? I am going to explain step by step. First, let us represent the given solution. Given, okay, represent the matrix capital letter A, which is equal to 1, 2, 2 and minus 2. We know that the condition number of the given square matrix is given by condition of A or K of A, which is equal to norm A infinity dot norm A inverse infinity. What the point? Yes. Now we have the given set of matrix. We can find A infinity also. Then we are supposed to find norm A inverse infinity. First, let us find A inverse, where A inverse is represented by 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, first let us find determinant of A. Determinant of A, which is equal to determinant 1, 2, 2, minus 2. Determinant of A, which is equal to minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 2. Determinant of A, which is equal to minus 2, minus 4. Determinant of A, which is equal to minus 6. Determinant of A, you get minus 6. Next, let us find adjoint. Adjoint is very easy. That is, adjoint of A is given by, just change the diagonal elements. First, change the diagonal in 2 cross 2. Only it is applicable in 2 cross 2. Change the diagonal elements. Minus 2, 1. Now apply the sign for the remaining diagonal elements. That is upper triangular and lower triangular. This is our what? Adjoint of A. Now you can, considering these two, you can represent A inverse. A inverse, which is equal to 1 by, what is determinant of A? Minus 6 into, what is adjoint of A? Minus 2, 2, minus 2. Okay, for both the you need to apply minus sign. Okay, minus 2 and 1. This is our what? A inverse. Now simplify 1 by minus 6 for the matrix multiplication. That is A inverse, which is equal to, since we have changed the sign. Okay, done. Now minus into minus plus 2 by 6, you can write it as 1 by 3. Next, minus into minus plus 2 by 3 is 2 by 6, you can write it as 1 by 3. Minus into minus plus 2 by 3, sorry, 2 by 6, you get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. This is our A inverse. Okay, done. After representing A inverse, now you can simplify norm A infinity and norm A inverse infinity. To find norm A infinity, you need to add row wise, the maximum of the row wise, that is modulus 1 plus modulus 2. Next, second row, modulus 2 plus modulus minus 2, which is equal to maximum. Since it is norm A infinity, we are supposed to represent row wise. 1 plus 2, 3, comma 2 plus 2, 4. The maximum number is 4. Next, norm A inverse infinity, which is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, represent maximum. Maximum of modulus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Next, you have 1 by 3 plus of modulus minus sign 1 by 6. Use the calculator. you can represent the solution. See, first 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. See, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. You get 2 by 3. Get 2 by 3. Next, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Get 1 by 2. Okay, in this which is maximum, it is easy. If you see what is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 you get 0.5. What is 2 by 3, you get 0.6666. 0.6 is bigger than 0.5, so we write it as 2 by 3. Then now what is the condition number is given by, therefore the condition number of the given matrix is condition of A or K of A, which is equal to norm A infinity into norm A inverse infinity. K of A, which is equal to what is norm A infinity is 4 into what is norm A inverse infinity, you have 2 by 3. K of A equal to 8 by 3. This is the required solution, that is 8 by 3. Is the required solution of the given matrix. That's it. Very simple and very easy to find what condition number. First, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to represent matrix, represent the condition number condition. Find in that, first let us find A inverse, that is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Find determinant of A. Determinant of A is -6. Then adjoint of A is just change the diagonal elements and change the opposite diagonal elements side change. Okay, done. Represent A inverse. Multiply 1 by -6 for the matrix. You get 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Now considering A inverse and A, find A norm A infinity, the maximum number 4, and norm A inverse infinity, that is 2 by 3. Multiply these two, you get the condition number. That's it. Nothing more and nothing extra solution. Till here, if you find, you get at least 6 marks. Till this question carries 6 marks in the VTU main examination. I hope you have understood each and every step of the finding condition number. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.